Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making one of my favorite quick salads, a creamy tomato salad that works with any tomatoes we have got at home. Super simple, super tasty. Let's jump right in. We are starting with the onion. If you are great with a knife, I'm jealous. I'm not. That's why I love this little kitchen helper. Once it's minced, toss it into a mixing bowl. Use a bowl bigger than you think you need. Mixing becomes so much easier. Next up, tomatoes. Cherry, Roma, big ones, small ones, anything ripe works. Cut them however you like. Slices, strips, chunks. This salad is super flexible, so use whatever amount feels right. Add them into the mixing bowl. Now the ham. Cut it in half, then into thin strips, around 5 mm or about 1/4 inch. The size keeps the ham visible so you can actually taste it in every bite. Into the bowl it goes. Now for the cheese. Cut it in half, then into strips just a little thicker than the ham. If it's too thin, it disappears once everything gets creamy, so this size keeps the flavor in every bite. Add it into the bowl and we are ready for the sour cream. Add about 4 tablespoons of sour cream and start mixing everything together. Take your time here, this is where the salad really starts coming together. If you feel resistance when you stir, that just means the tomatoes haven't released their juices yet. So don't worry, keep holding it gently from the bottom so everything gets coated evenly. And if you like your sauce on the richer side, you can always sneak in another spoon later when it settles. Season with salt and pepper. Give it a light sprinkle first. You can always adjust after mixing. Freshly cracked pepper adds a nice little lift, so add a touch more if you like that warm aroma. Then give it a quick stir so the seasoning spreads evenly. Mix it again and that's it. It's incredible right away, but honestly it's even better the next day. Add a little spring onion on top and dig in. Thanks for watching. Like, share and follow for more Simply Food recipes.